cold outside today, but let it snow. Hello everyone, welcome back to another Mr. McGregor's video. Today we're going to be checking the chickens. It's snowing right now. And it's probably going to be the last one of the year. So I'm going to do this fast and try and get out of this cold weather. So we're approaching the chickens now, as you can see. Hi girls. Oh, that's not good. Is that frozen? The water looks like it's frozen. I'm not wearing gloves. No, wait, I have gloves. Yes, hang on. Yes, hang on, I have gloves. Alright, that's better. I have gloves. Let's check out this water problem first. What the? Oh no. Whoops. A moment. It's entirely my fault. I think I hadn't plugged it in fully. And it's all frozen. Oh no. Alright, there's plan B. There's that. I'm gonna get a cart. So I'm gonna get some water. And alright, hang on. Oh no, you don't. Just seen that coming. Oh man, should have seen that coming. Oh man. Alright, I'm gonna get a water jug. Alright, I'm in the garage. Should be a water jug in here. This is what we use in the summer. Gotta use what you can. In the summer it's easier. You sell that big water jug. That's what we use in the summer. It holds more water than the other one. It can fill up to 4 gallons. And as soon as the temperatures start dropping and the first sign of it freezing, that's when we get the heater out. But I gotta fill it up till all that. It's gonna take a while for it to thaw. So I'm going to fill these jugs up here at this faucet. Sorry, I'm using my no touch camera buttons. Basically, what I do is open it up. And fill it up. Trying out to waste water here. It's nice and refreshing in the summer, but when it's cold out, you just want to get in as fast as you can. I'm gonna get the camera away. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna screw these back in. And then we're gonna pop that back in as the Ichabod is calling. Since we're gonna walk back and this is snowing. And it's we have a yes, it is a little harder in the winter, as I believe the chickens must have stepped on the cord and then it came down. So that's probably what happened, but it's still, I see, look, there are two back there eating the snow out of the other one. So I'll open this up. Pray he doesn't attack me, because I do not like. Yeah, you're on the watch list, pal. Come on, Dwayne, get out. Help me. Oh man, he's going to attack me. So here he goes. See him? Gotta keep a watchful eye. Sunshine, he's to help me with that. Actually, she would fend him off. Actually, he was scared of her. She has moved on though. All right, so that has no sign of thawing. Just get the tripod going here. Oh, came out of the camera. Sorry for that little clip, the camera cut off. Anyway, I'm gonna get a little taller. How about that? Alright, so basically what we're gonna be doing here is, oh man, this thing's shut. This thing's frozen shut. Getting the ice out. Gotta use what you can. Ah. Oh, got it. Alright, I'm gonna fill this up with water. Hopefully this will have some. Hopefully I'm gonna take the oh man. I'm gonna hopefully take that inside tonight. If it's frozen by 3 o'clock, I'm gonna take it in tonight so it can thaw out. Put it in the sink, and I'm gonna put a heater in the bathroom so it can thaw out. And then I'll replace it with water and then bring it back out here. Because I got a doctor's appointment tomorrow, so if I can do that and a good stuff. That's not good. Oh man. Now we got an even bigger problem. Is that? No, it's blood. Oh no. Alright, let me get this and then we're gonna be. Alright, they have water now. Okay, that's fine. That's better now. That is better. I am feeling better about myself. They have water now. Alright, I got. See her right there? Come here. Alright, oh man, it's hard. Alright. I'm gonna put this here. Alright, so I grabbed 2 eggs. Oh, yeah. Alright, so while I was doing the water, if you could see me looking, I'm going to show you here in a minute on what I'm talking about. See that rooster right? Ichabod. Yes. See him? He attacks us. He's scared of him. See her? It's golden comet right here. Look at that. That is dried blood. It's also on the Americana. I don't see any other on the others. That is not good. I don't know about her either. Maybe, I'm not sure. I'm gonna keep a close eye on them. I don't think that's gonna thaw. I'm gonna bring it in at 3 though, or when I'm going to put the chickens to bed, I'll do that. Ichabod. Oh man. I'm gonna end it here as I gotta get back, but make sure to subscribe and like to never miss another chicken video. This was kind of short, but not really more to talk about. I got them water, so they have water. We're gonna have to look into the blood on her head. I believe Thomas named her after a Transformer. Air Razor? I believe that's That's not Air Razor. She's right there. That's her right there. Well, right here. That over there. I don't know what the name is. She would let us pet her when she went to lay an egg. It's gotten cold, so the egg production is going down. But I will be talking to Mom and Pop about this, and we might be getting another red cochin, which is what he is. Even most getting another one of him, Dwayne, because so far, he is very friendly. So we're gonna get that all done. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and like for another Mr. McGregor's video. Peace out.